Can we upload Suno AI song on YouTube? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now Suno AI offers different plans such as Basic, Pro and Premier. A basic plan allows you to create songs for non-commercial use, while songs created with Pro and Premier plans include commercial use. Now commercial use involves distribution. That means putting your music on Spotify, Apple Music, and so on. It also means that you can use it in your YouTube content. Adding your songs to content on your monetizing channel is allowed when songs are created using Pro and Premier plan. However, if you're using the basic free plan, then you can only listen to the songs on Suno. You can download your songs to listen on any device. You can share the link or the downloaded file with friends, and you can use your music on other non-monetizing platforms. So basically, you can upload Suno AI song on YouTube if you are using Pro and Premier plans on Suno AI. However, if you're using the basic free version, then you won't be able to upload your song on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.